Germany is where it all started, the birthplace of the automobile. Today, I'm here to introduce AITO to all of you.
Our brand AITO. AITO stands for adding intelligence to auto. Our branding slogan is intelligence, redefining luxury.
Our very first lineup designed especially for the Middle East.
The AITO booth also showcases our cutting-edge technology.
It's really interesting to see new brands come to the market.
Some of the detail is very interesting about this car, like the headlights with the projector.
The car behind me is AITO 9 and the quality inside the car is very great. I love the leather and the interior, it's very great.
Definitely the technology AITO brings is seamless, it's intelligent.
We are very excited to bring our best models to more customers. Join our launch event in Dubai.